Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Truck Master India. This is an awesome game. Wasting no time, let's get started. Getting started, let's go deliver materials and get some money. Realistic controls. Okay, we have reached end. Everything here is real, very shop names and places they are taken from the map. One M is 1 kilometer in this game. I am so happy that I completed 10 subscribers, thank you all. Actually, I rented this truck only for one trip and it has 1 hour timer. And so this is the end of the video. Thank you and bye.